Hey guys, we're showing a video of putting chalk and water and then putting it in the microwave for
A minute.
a minute, but we're only at 23 seconds right now because we already started.
Let's do just a minute more.
Oh, we'll just do a minute more, sorry. Three, two, 1, 0.
Blast off. Blast off.
Oh. So yeah, it's kind of steaming. You can't really see in a way.
I'm going to eat a brownie.
Yeah, you can see the steam.
Brownie. Where's my brownie?
I just showed you.
Where's my brownie?
I already showed you eating the brownie.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now we're gonna. You can't really see it. Okay, we're stirring it up.
While crunching it. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Okay. The brownie's gonna get splashed. Can you stop turning that on?
I'm not. So that's our video. And it's kind of mushy at the end, and you can. The water's gonna be blue in a way. You can't really see it, but the water's gonna be kind of blue.
Just keep it in here until I get
Yeah, so that's our
dissolves.
video of what happens when you put chalk in the microwave. Water. So there's the brownies.
It'll
there's
start
the
to
water,
stink also.
There's duct tape. Okay, bye.
What duct?